So you want to take your channel from 10 views and 10 subs to 2.5 billion views and 9.5 million subs like Laserbeam, but despite publishing video after video after video after video of Apex Legends gameplay, it's just not happening. Today, I'm going to give you a 6-step strategy that will show you how to make an Apex Legends channel from scratch and how to get views to your YouTube gaming channel overnight. Make sure you stay tuned to the end because I'm going to give you a secret that will let you start getting 100 to 5,000 views almost immediately. So, millions of people are watching Apex Legends on YouTube every day. At the time of recording this video, 35,000 viewers are on Twitch watching Apex Legends. It's such a popular game, yet your Apex Legends channel doesn't have even 1% of those views or subscribers. Well, my name is Aaron. This is Retail to Riches, the channel designed to help you grow your YouTube channel so you can share content and monetize it. And today I'm going to teach you the trick that you probably don't know, and it's not really your fault that you don't, to getting more views to your YouTube gaming channel to kickstart your Apex Legends channel. So make sure you leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and click that subscribe button if you want to get more tips for growing your YouTube channel and monetizing it. And remember to stay tuned until the very last tip because I'm going to give you one major secret to getting 100 to 5,000 views nearly immediately to your Apex Legends videos. Tip number 1 is to simply decide on your content. So Apex Legends fall into one of 3 major formats: clips and montages, gameplay compilations, and guides, tips, or tricks. So deciding on what format your Apex Legends videos will follow is one of the keys to making sure that your content is something that your viewers want to basically consume. You need to stick to this format once you pick it for the majority of your videos. This will help you improve your editing, help improve everything about your videos, and focus on the content that your viewers actually want to see instead of just filling your channel with unedited gameplay that may last days at a time. Tip number 2 is to work on your thumbnail and title. Thumbnails and titles are 2 of the most important parts of your videos that people generally overlook because they just don't realize how important these components are to getting views. Viewers buy YouTube, which means that they are the first step in the funnel that brings people to your videos to watch and eventually become subscribers. So you need to make your title something that you would want to click on. You need to model it after titles and videos that you view on YouTube for Apex Legends. If you don't do that now, go ahead, pause this video, take some time to look at some popular Apex Legends videos and the format of their titles. They are generally designed to get people to click on them. So thumbnails are the same story, except for those I have some more focused advice since it involves an element of graphic design, where I give you 3 major tips to basically 5 times the views you get because people will want to click on your thumbnails. You can check that up in the title card above. Tip number 3 is to hook your viewers, and this is a real simple process that I feel that most people just don't know about, which, if executed better, will lead to more views in the video. YouTube videos basically have 10 seconds to hook their viewers. From click to open to play, you have 10 seconds before the viewer decides, okay, this is content I want to invest time on and watch, or, okay, I don't care, I'm going to leave. If you don't capture your viewers' curiosity or attention, they will leave. So start your video with a hook. If you notice this video, and every video almost, starts with a hook. You put your most unbelievable moment, you put some crazy gameplay, you put basically the value that the viewer is going to get from your guide video. So in that case, you might say, hey, you're going to learn how to become an amazing Mirage player that whoops the butt of 1v3 every time without trying, just by following these simple tips. Something like that. Tip number 4 is to focus on editing your content. People on YouTube want polished, to-the-point content, and it doesn't even really have to be that polished so long as it, values people's time. That's why, at the very least, you should edit with jump cuts to get rid of the boring, extraneous parts of your video that really don't need to be there. So software like Windows Movie Maker, Lightworks and OpenShot are all free, and given maybe 5 to 10 minutes, you can learn how to use them to make jump cuts in your videos. You can add titles, music to your videos, and a bunch of other stuff that will basically polish your content further and make it so people want to watch. All you have to do to learn how to use these is to invest a little bit of time. Tip number 5 is to simply ask for likes, comments, and subscribers. It sounds like you shouldn't have to do this, but if you do it, you will get more of these things. And the more of these things that you get, the more likely YouTube is to recommend your videos to other people, which in turn leads to more views, more subscribers, and all that good stuff that you want as a growing Apex Legends channel. The easiest way, again, is to ask for likes, comments, and subscribers in about 10 seconds of your video, and that's all you have to do. The reason these metrics are so important is because YouTube uses them to basically validate your video as good. The more likes, comments, subscribers, and views that you get, the more YouTube is likely to recommend your video to new people that may fit a certain audience demographic. It's a bunch of fancy words that basically mean the more your video gets interactions, the more likely it is to be recommended to people. So the flip side of this, and the kind of secret that most people don't know, is by simply doing this, you can actually go from 1 view per person to 5, 10, 25 views, because people will subscribe to your channel, they get notified when you release new videos. You might have somebody comment, you reply to the comment, and they come back to the video to watch it again. Or maybe somebody will leave a timestamp and people will rewatch the video. The idea is that the more interactions you have, the more likely your videos get views. Tip number 6, and this is the secret one, so if you stay tuned to the whole video, you're going to be able to benefit from this. Tip number 6 is to interact with other Apex Legends channels. The reason this is so effective is because if you just simply go to new Apex Legends videos as they're released and leave a comment that gets thumbs up and basically pushed up to the tops of comments, you can get a chunk of those 1,000, 100,000, 1 million views that those videos will get, which in turn leads people who are already interested in Apex Legends to click on your channel, and you would be very surprised to see how many people go to the comment section. This leads people to click on your channel, view some of your videos, and then maybe subscribe. And once they subscribe, you've got a viewer for life. As a rough figure, about 10% of views scroll down to the comments, and I'm talking about 10% in a very unfocused video that doesn't ask for likes or comments. Scroll down to the comments and read them, because it adds more content to the video. So this is a free way that you can start getting 100 to 5,000 views every single day just by going out, subscribing to some Apex Legends channels, and commenting. It's actually one of the coolest ways I have found to get traffic to YouTube videos, and this works outside of the gaming niche. So take that as you will. And that's it. If you apply these 6 tips, then you will know exactly how to start an Apex Legends channel and how to get more views to your YouTube gaming channel. So leave a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and click that subscribe button if you want more tips on growing your YouTube channel from scratch and monetizing it. My videos focus on small YouTubers and small YouTube channels, which in turn allows me to give the most effective value to people I feel are in the most warranted position for using my advice. So peace out. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video for a video that will help you out, and I will see you in the next video.